Here are 5 everyday motivation, health, fitness tips, tricks, and the addition of meditation. Number 1. Start your day with movement. Engage in some form of physical activity, whether it's a quick workout, stretching, or a brisk walk. It sets a positive tone for the day and energizes you. Number 2. Prioritize hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay properly hydrated. Carry a water bottle with you as a reminder to sip regularly and aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Number 3. Practice portion control. Be mindful of your food portions. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control portion sizes and focus on balanced meals with a variety of nutrients. Number 4. Incorporate mindful eating. Pay attention to your eating habits and practice mindful eating. Slow down, savor each bite, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Number 5. Embrace meditation. Set aside a few minutes each day for meditation. Find a quiet space, focus on your breath, and allow your mind to relax and let go of stress. Meditation can help improve focus, reduce anxiety, and enhance overall well-being. Remember, these tips and tricks, including meditation, can be incorporated into your daily routine to support your motivation, health, fitness, and overall well-being. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe TRU Connect YouTube channel for more and exclusive giveaways.